Hello and welcome. Thank you for taking this video tour today of 7819 Bell Tower Lane in Fairburn, Georgia. Simply marvelous. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in a brand new subdivision. It's about 3 or 4 years old. Took a quick look around. Invite you to come on inside. Beautiful front door. When you walk into the front door, immediately to your left, you're greeted by a small area that would be great for a living room, a sitting room, maybe an office, just a second room. It's very convenient. There again, you have a nice closet space. Come down the hall, immediately to your left, you see a half bath. Then it opens up into the family room and the dining room and the kitchen. All the appliances, nice countertops. See a very nice pantry, huge, and the laundry room is right here. A very convenient area. Also, when we came in the front door, I wanted to point out the 2-car garage. The stairs are hidden. They're back here behind this wall. Top of the stairs, immediately to your left, is the master, which is massive. Nice vaulted ceiling. Give you a better perspective. Really, really nice. And the master bathroom. Double vanity. Garden tub, separate shower. Take a look at this closet. Isn't that great? Then at the very top of the stairs is the center bedroom, probably the smallest bedroom in the house. Front corner of the house. Yeah, nice bedroom. Once again, look, vaulted ceiling. 2 closet doors. That actually goes all the way through to the other side to this closet door. Hall bath. And then the last bedroom. A little bit larger closet, it's deeper. It's a great house. I'd love to show you to you in person. Or maybe you just want to go ahead and apply it. I encourage you to do that. If you have any questions, give us a call at Bravo. Or go back to the website at rentfrombravo.com. Find another house that may be of interest to you. God bless.